everybody, Zachman18AC here. Welcome back to the next episode of Animal Crossing New Leaf on the 3DS. It is time for the next episode of Animal Crossing. I already said this already two times in a row. Last night we had so much fun playing, having fun at the fireworks show. But there is a lot of stuff to do to help clean up. Even though we kind of already did that last night. So, I went to Shannon's Town yesterday, and I finally got the silver net from her museum, so I don't have to wait till mine is open, because I've already donated my 30 bugs, so I don't know why I have to wait for that. So, but yeah, we've got a couple things to do. She's actually online right now. Tia's fishing. I've got my flower thing on still. It's August 5th today. And Bangle is still standing here. Sure, we'll take it. Alright. And my house is a mess too. I'm gonna get this pitfall out of the way. Alright. Is this the house? We'll just get out our megaphone. Rowan! Rowan! Here he is. Delivery for you, Sir Rowan. A bear pole. Oh, he's giving me something. Give me a shirt. A 2-ball tee. Oh, it's like a, yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna really worry about collecting those much in this one, because I've already got a whole dresser full of clothes, so. No thanks. Man, Bangle, you were just being creepy. I handed it over. I made the delivery. Here's the story. What? Oh, okay. I think I selected the right option. Alright, we got a lot of stuff here as well. Oh my god. Oh, okay, we're just gonna do things one at a time here. All my tools are back in my house. Oh, this is just so unorganizational. Okay. Oh yes, I totally forgot about the golden furniture. Let's go see what that is. But first we'll sell some stuff, of course. Alright, sapling. Get the used fireworks out of there. Sell that stuff. Sell. Yeah. Oh, so I actually lost money out of that. Great. We'll come look at that golden furniture once I'm actually able to carry stuff around. Oh shoot. Yeah, that flower's in the way either way, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, once again, sorry about the late upload last night, guys. It was a pretty long episode to work on uploading, so please excuse me yesterday. Oh boy. for Dr. Shrunk for today. Is this a fossil or a bamboo? I'm thinking it's bamboo. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Should have known. I guess we'll have it for him tomorrow. I'll put this in my letters. Oh, wait, I can't. All right. Yep, I can't wait for next Sunday's fireworks show. It's gonna be awesome. Tia. Alright, that's a little bit weird. Oh, yikes. Okay. Get that disgusting thought out of your heads, kids. Alright. One second. There we go. Taking stuff one at a time, I guess. Yeah, my house is a mess. Oh yeah. So we got KK Lament. Nice. It's like Sherlock Holmes in the picture. Spring Blossoms. Nice, I kind of like it. Oops, wrong emotion. I don't know what that was. Ah! Why do I keep doing that all the time? Love seat. No, not there. God dang it. There we go. Now, there we go. Okay, this we're gonna hang up on the wall, but where? Alright, I'll pick this up. There we go. Got a flower pot! Aww! For God's sakes. Alright, I think I know where to put this bonfire. I'm going to put it in this room. Am I still gonna be able to see it? Okay, good. Goody gumdrops. Candy jar will go in this room. Doesn't even do anything. In that case, I'm just going to get rid of it. Or I can put it on this table. Yeah. There we go. I can just pick that up, right? Yeah. Okay. No! Pick the fishing rod up. Why would you pick that one up first? Why? Why? Okay. I just cracked my voice there. How big is this pool? For God's sakes. Let's try this room. I've literally got 10 more minutes because I gotta go to some places today. So we gotta wrap this up pretty soon. If I put this here, will I still be able to get to the computer? No. I can already tell by the looks of it. Alright, this has gotta go. It's just taking up too much space. What? The heck I can. Don't tell me what I can do. Oh! Swimmy, swimmy. The weirdest thing I've ever said. My house is a big, big mess. And I approve this message. But yes, I'll have more time to work on this stuff tomorrow. Got a busy Monday today. Especially these over here. I'll worry about those later. What space do I have in my pockets? Not a whole lot. Holy crap. Alright, we'll go sell some stuff. Boom, boom. Boom! Oh, yeah, baby. Golden screen. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, so what's the special item needed for retail? A sea snail shell. Yikes. Alright. 2 more emotions left to collect from Dr. Shrunk. Tomorrow's gonna be our last emotion. I'll just give him this big basket of bamboo. Why not? Alright, 2 more left to get. Let's see which one he's going to give me today. My flourish joke is just the thing to cure what ails you. Well, you see, I used to be a great reaction comedian a while back, so of course I had a powerful gag to use when I really hit a home run. I'm going to give you an extra special treat and let you see it today. Watch carefully. Are you ready? Here I go. That was spin-teresting. What do you think? Want to see it again? That was spin-teresting. Well, pretty easy, right? I wonder why I never caught on. Yikes, Dr. Shrunk. Flourish. Oh, I love it. That deserves to be another photo ID picture. Okay. Oh, shoot. Retake it. Okay. There we go. Perfect. That should be good enough. Alright. We'll keep it. Alright. What are we going to do for these last 5 minutes here? Let's go to DIY. Oh. What's going on here? Oh, okay. DIY. Boom, 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 boom. 200 bells. Bum, 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 bum. Don't know if I have the song. I might. Oh crap! I probably do. It'll help out with getting the Emporium, I guess. So. We still need Gracie. Where the heck is she? Oh no, my dog's barking in the house. That's not good. I'm gonna put my umbrella in there so I can buy this sapling. Alright, let's go assess these fossils. And for the fun of it, we'll check upstairs and see if the net was available today. One second here. Okay. Wait, hold on. Oh, whoa, cool. Ooh. Yeah, me and Shannon are both working on getting our fossils complete. Looks like we just got this one. Oh, and she actually had this one on her beach. Oh well. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. There's the net. Oh my goodness. Alright, well I guess it wouldn't have mattered either way. Probably was asking me to go get it from a different town and then it would probably start to be available. That sucks. Alright. Let's go sell all this stuff. But yeah, I'll get the fossils off camera. So I can still have something to work on so we don't have a whole lot more work to do tomorrow. Hopefully Gracie comes tomorrow so we can start getting to work on getting the Emporium, because that's pretty much all we need to do now is just pass our test 4 times and then we'll be on our way. Our merry, merry way. Okay. I want to keep that, want to keep that, want to keep that. Probably not that. Dang it, I forgot to eat my fortune cookie. Alright, we'll do it tomorrow. I'm an idiot.